Hey, Carter. What do you want for dinner?
Caca.
What else?
Caca.
What else do you want?
Bacon.
Crackers and cheese? What else do you want for dinner?
Butter.
Right there. No. Do you want to go to Jonathan's? No. You want pizza? Yes. What else do you want for dinner?
Daddy.
Daddy? Yes, he'll come. What else do you want for dinner?
Umba.
On the bus? Okay. Do you want... Uh-oh. It didn't work for very long. Let's see. Wanna watch? Oh, no. It's still working.
Caca.
Cracker. What else? And cheese. Yes. It's good. Cheese.
Caca.
And cracker. What else?
Daddy.
And daddy. Yes.
Umba. Umba.
The bus? The bus is gonna come and drop off who?
Daddy.
Gavin, yes.
Umba.
From the bus. And then we're gonna go have dinner. What are you gonna eat?
Caca.
Cracker.
And cheese.
And cheese. Wow, you're doing really good.
Daddy.
And with daddy. Yes.
Umba.
And the bus.
Umba.
And the bus.
Umba. Umba.
And the bus. And then
Umba.
is daddy gonna have his Jeep? Yes. Who is that?
Daddy.
Carter. Is that Carter? Where's the kitty? I don't know. I don't know.
Dada.
Can you say I don't know?